Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I am Christine Kaliwanagan, 31 years old. I live in General Trias, Cavite, Philippines. I am married and I have two children. The eldest is 13 years old and the youngest is 3 years old. My highest educational attainment is college graduate, 2 years course. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for my children, to provide my family needs, and to support my children's study. Because my salary here in the Philippines is not enough for my growing family. I am currently working as encoder in Japanese industry here in the Philippines for 7 years, starting 2018 up to present. But before that, I was taking care of my children for 4 years. For now, I am employee in the morning and a mother taking care of my children in the afternoon. My hobbies are cleaning the house, cooking, washing the dishes, and laundrying clothes. I also playing with my kids and I am good in drawing. So that when I have a spare time, I am tutoring my kids how to draw, counts, coloring, and speak in English. To my future employee, ma'am, sir, please choose me as your mate because I am hardworking, obedient, trusty. I promise to be a good mate and I promise to prioritize my job. I promise to finish my 2 years contract and more. I am looking forward to work as soon as possible. Thank you, ma'am and sir.